MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. A maroon 2017 Kenworth T680 is for sale at MHC Denver. Super clean, 435 horsepower this truck. A 10-speed Ultra with 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 196-inch wheelbase. Your tires, 22.5 LPs, polished all around. You've got a 75-gallon fuel tank here. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with that Fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. The interior, really well maintained by the previous owner. The dash shines. If you want this truck, a 2017 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.